Sixth grade Excel, lesson 111, converting decimal numbers to percents and percents to decimal numbers. To convert any number to a percent, multiply it by 100 over 100. This will not change the value of the number since 100 over 100 is equal to 1. If you multiply something by 1, you get itself. So we multiply 100 over 100, it's just multiplying it by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 will equal the number itself. Since percent means parts per 100, you can drop off the 100 in the denominator and add percent symbol. So what we're saying is, if we have, say, 12 over 100, well, I can just get rid of this and write that instead, because 12 over 100 means 12%. Easy cheesy? Remember that multiplying by 100 moves the decimal 2 places to the right. And we had a lesson before on that. If I have 65 and I multiply that by 100, I get 6,500. If I have 0.65 and I multiply it by 100, I get 65. Right? Okay, that's the simple part. Remember that multiplying, okay, we already said that. Write the numbers given in words and convert to a percentage. So here is 0.25 or 25 hundredths. We're going to multiply 0.25 times 100 over 100. Okay, so that comes out to be 25 hundredths. And the reason for that is when we multiply 0.25 times 100, the decimal point moves over 2 spots, so that becomes 25. And then there's no number on the bottom, it's a 1 down there, it's 0.25 over 1. 1 times 100 is 100. So think of it this way, 0.25 is 25 hundredths. Pretty simple, which is 25%. 0.582, if we multiply that times 100 over 100, this becomes 58.2, because when I multiply that times 100, it moves over 2 spots to the right. 58.2 over 100 is 58.2%. And again, all you have to notice is, to change this decimal to a percent, just move the decimal point over 2 spots. Simple? Okay, and here we're going to write 0.8. Okay, what is this as a percent? Let's move the decimal point over 2 spots to the right. So what is this? 80%. 80%. Good. Okay, go ahead and try 4, 5, and 6. You can just do it like this if you'd like to. And pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. 0.07, how do I write this? 0.07. There, okay. And what's that equal to as a percent?
7%.
7%. Whoa! Pen just freaked out. Okay, 7%. 0.486. Okay, what is this equal to as a percent?
486. 4.86.
How many spots does the decimal point move over?
2.
2. So what's the answer?
48.6%.
There we go. It's not 486%, 48.6. 0.0034. 0.0034. Ooh, what's that as a percent?
34%.
Is that 34%?
No.
You move it all the way over there?
No.
No. How many spots do you move it over? 2 spots. So the answer is 0.34%. That's less than 1%. 0.34%. Okay, oh, here's the numbers that are filled in, and go ahead. Oh, let's take a look at this first here. To change a percent to a decimal, drop the percent symbol and put the number over 100. Then divide the denominator into the numerator. When dividing by 100, remember to move the decimal 2 places to the left. That's basically all we're doing here. This is 48%, so the decimal point starts here. We move it over 2 spots, and so 48% is equal to 0.48. Simple? Here, 2 spots to the left. 0.0514 is 5.14%. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and do 9 through 12. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. You guys got this? Okay, just help me with the answers. 13.2%. Move it over 2 spots. What is this as a decimal?
0.132.
Good. Okay, move this one over 2 spots to the left. What's this?
0.005.
0.005. Less than 1%. and it's way over there, right? 7%.
0.007.
What's the answer on this?
0.007.
0.07. The decimal point started here, not over here. Right? So you got to move over 2 spots. There's only 1 0 in there. Okay, 2 spots on this one. What's this going to be?
0.271.
There you go. Now you got it. Okay, go ahead and do 13 through 18. Change these all to a decimal. Okay, pause the video when you turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. All right, everybody, here we go. What's this as a decimal?
0.004.
Here's the decimal point in here, right? It's not there, so it's hidden right there at the end of it. Move it over 2 spots to the left. 0.40. 40% is 40 hundredths. 40 hundredths. Okay? How about on this one? The decimal point's there, so we got to move it over 2 to the left. What's it going to be?
0.0003.
0.0003, right? Okay, how about on this one? Decimal point is given to you right here. 2 spots to the left. What is it?
0.0093.
Good. 8%. Where is the decimal point hidden on this one? Right after the 8. Okay, so what's this going to be as a decimal?
Decimal 0.08.
0.08. 2 spots over. 8% is 8 hundredths. Okay, the decimal point's given to you here. So what's this one as a decimal?
0.1348.
Good. And the last one. Where's the decimal point on this?
Hidden right after the 0.
Good. Okay, so what's the answer?
0.99.
0.9 or 0.90. Either one of those. Okay, good job. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Dude, make it say yeah.